If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service issues. If Xbox Live is down, you may need to wait until the service is restored. Step 2. Restart your console. Power off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Test network connection. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, Test Network Connection. This will help identify any connectivity issues that may be causing the matchmaking error. Step 4. Clear alternate MAC address. Navigate to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC address. Select Clear. This can help reset your network settings and resolve conflicts. Step 5. Reconfigure network settings. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings, Reset Network Settings. This will restore your network settings to default, which can help resolve persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to address the matchmaking error and enjoy a smoother gaming experience on your Xbox Series X.